Everyone has an imagination, the power to create. As we share our imagination, stories unfold.
Why would a Sith probe droid be searching the Senate?
And who gave it the orders?
We'll understand its reasons once we know what information it stole.